To combine in series the Multifiltrate Pro device with the Jafron HA cartridges with the HA380, you need a Jafron HA380 cartridge, a specific holder for the device, then you need the tubing set of the Multifiltrate Pro, a specific Jafron tubing set to connect in series with the Multifiltrate Pro CVV HD cassette. Then you need 3 liters of saline solution with heparin or without heparin if the citrate anticoagulation mode is used like here in CVV HD mode. If you use heparin anticoagulation mode, add heparin units in the saline solution as expressed in the IFU. After finishing priming both systems in parallel, you need to connect in series the Jafron HA cartridge with the Multifiltrate Pro line set. Firstly, you need to stop the blood pump of the Multifiltrate Pro. Then, you have to put both cartridges in a horizontal position. Then, use 2 blue clamps as showed here. Clamp the top line of the hemofilter. At the same time, clamp the blue line of the hemofilter. Clamp the end of the venous line, then clamp the artery line. Start to disconnect the Jafron tubing set. Remove the red line of the Multifiltrate set. Connect both lines together as showed. Reconnect the line of the Jafron cartridge and turn both hemofilter and cartridge in a vertical position again. Now, remove all the clamps on both systems from 1 to 8 as showed. Then you can start the connection on patient. Now, restart the blood pump. During all this procedure, do not hesitate to use the rubber hammer to deaerate the cartridge correctly.